Dear friend, so I am going to install WordPress Elementor plugin in this blank WordPress site. So going to my dashboard, I'm using WordPress 6.61. We can update the site. It will take a little bit of time. So for installing the Elementor theme, go to theme first and delete all the existing old theme that are not required. So I'm just activating the latest theme and deleting other, because you don't need to store a lot of themes that are not in use. So I'm going to install first a new theme, say Elementor. When you are installing Elementor, the site will look like this. You are now using WordPress Elementor theme, but the plugin is not installed, so install the plugin. It will take a little bit of time, or you can go to the plugin section and activate this Elementor plugin. Now Elementor plugin is installed, but our site is like a blank page. We want to add a theme, so search WordPress free theme in Google and you will find the website WordPress theme directory, and in this WordPress theme directory search an Elementor plugin, what's theme Elementor. You can see many nice websites are there, so let's download one theme. Let's see its preview. The preview is nice. Let's try another one where preview is better. Like, say we want a simple page like this. Searching a theme is a little bit of time taking, because you have to find something which is similar to your business. So go to theme Elementor. So let's start with this one, download this, and we are going to upload this to our website. Our Elementor is installed and active. Go to the parent section, upload the theme. Yes, cafeteria. Install it and activate. So it is asking for the demo importer. Okay, we are going to import the demo problem, because when you import the demo, it added the pages of the demo URL of the theme. It is asking for uploading a slider. Okay, install it now and activate. Now thank you for using this theme. The last thing is video pop-up. Okay, we are going to install this video pop-up as well. It is not being tested to the latest version, but it's okay. Now it is all themes are ready. Here let's go to the importer section and see how it is populating our site. Okay, and import the demo theme. Start quickly. Start now. Skip to the next step. Import the demo. Cross this banner. Now it is all finished, or you can customize your demo using Elementor. Let's say finish. Now let's go to our site and see how it is showing. It will be better if you go to the setting and permalink and set the permalink like this, sample post, and see how many pages are added there. So there is a home page. So let's see this home page. So what we are doing, we are going to add a blog page here, say blog, and publish it just for showing the blog item here. And this one, say quickly edit it to about, We are going to create one menu very quickly. Go to menu section, home, about, and add the about and logo page to the menu, and remove this and save this menu and save this to the primary location. And here in the setting, go to the reading section and select home pages and blog as a blog post page. Now let's go to our site. Our site is ready. This is the home page, this is the blog page, single blog, category page are ready, about page is ready. We can change the image if required. So for customizing this, like site identity, you can upload a logo, like say I'm adding one logo for now, this logo.